So I am going to install an operating system named basealt. We need few things in setup before installing the operating system. First, we will need a flash drive, USB flash drive, or you can say pen drive. So it can be make bootable by anyone software, maybe listed on the website. But I am going to use Ventoy for this, because making a Ventoy we can use pen drive multiple time without formatting it for easy for installation of OSS. Second thing, we will need partition. So we have to select the partition on our disk manager for the installation. And third, step is installation of operating system, where we will need a ISO to be downloaded uh, from OS website. So let us start. First, we will need to go in the disk manager. Let us see my disk drive. Right. Let us see. This is my this PC. Okay. I have several drives. So I am going to select this partition. Suppose I am going to select new volume G. It is about 97 GB, but I am going to shrink it to 20 GB, and then remaining 60 GB space will be unallocated, right? And then I will be using that space for the making partition for Linux. So here I am using Windows. I have to search create and format or partition management. P- when you will write partition, then you will see the option like create and partition hard disk partitions. Okay, disk management or anything you can search to get it here. So this is the partition new volume G. I am going to shrink it. So because you might have the different disk, but no, but to free it or for installation you will need a clean disk and you have to format that. So I am going to select this one, and I am going to shrink volume. So it is completely shrinkable, but this is total size before shrink, total size available in the MB, enter amount of shrink to. So I am going to shrink it to approximately 26 GB. Okay, so this will be 71 GB, right? And 25 GB extra. So let me shrink it more. Let me shrink it about 70, not let it be 50 more GB. Okay, so this is how we can shrink. So this is an unallocated space which you can use for installation, but I have a lot of space, so I can delete this one. So from this from extend volume, you can extend the volume, about it can be extended up to 76 GB, but I am going to use 20 more. So let us see what happens. So 54 GB is unallocated, so I can use either this one or this one for my purpose. So for installation I am going to use 54 GB, and recommended is 35 GB, so that's why I am going to use 54 GB. You can free to use whether 100 GB, whether 200 GB, as much your space allows, or what you like.